Hey guys, welcome back to Sula's kitchen. Today we're gonna make biscotti. We're gonna make pumpkin spice biscotti. It's the season again, so they're very easy and delicious. I'm gonna mix the butter and the sugar about 15 minutes. Okay, we beat this for 15 minutes. I clean it all around for a few minutes, few times. So we're ready to add the rest of the ingredients. Pumpkin spice, the lemon zest of 1 lemon, and we're gonna add the eggs, but one at a time. Okay, we beat the eggs very well. We put the eggs one at a time. Now we're gonna add the baking powder with the flour, and we're gonna mix it very well. Gonna add the vanilla, now I'm gonna add first a little bit flour on slow. Okay, now I add a little bit flour in the mix. Now we're gonna add the liquid, the half, and we're gonna add the baking soda. Usually what I do, I put the soda on the orange juice. I have to mix it again. That's the magic. And we're gonna add the orange juice and the baking soda in. And now we're gonna continue. Finish the flour. Sometimes takes less or a little bit more than 5 cups. Depends the weather. Okay, the dough needs to be soft but not sticky. Perfect. Now we're gonna add the pistachio. Just a little bit. Pistachio is done. I'm gonna give it one last mix. And it's done. We already added the pistachios. Now we're gonna roll it. Beautiful dough. It's not sticky. And then we're gonna make it flat like this. Put them in the pan. Press it again. Doesn't have to be perfect because this is a homemade. Just like that. Beautiful. Okay, we have the biscotti on the pan. We roll it like this. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's a homemade. We're gonna bake it. We already preheat the oven on a 360. We're gonna bake it about 20 minutes to 25, and then they come out and we're gonna cut it and then bake it a little bit more. Okay? Okay guys, we bake the biscotti about 27 minutes. I bake it on 360. They're beautiful, nice and golden. We let it cool off about 10 minutes, and now we're gonna slice it because we have to put it back in the oven on low oven so they can get nice and crisp. Okay, the way we have to cut it, first we go slow. We have to use the bread knife, it's easier. We go slow and then press down. Beautiful. And we're gonna put it back in the pan to toast it. Delicious.